That's not my baby. Her hat is too soft. That's not my baby. Yeah, that's the mousy. Her teddy is too fluffy. That's not my baby. Her blanket is too silky. Where's the mousy? Where's the mousy? Right. Mwah. That's not my baby. You found the mousy. Her mittens are too fuzzy. That's not my baby. The mouse. Her bib is too squashy. That's my baby. Ew. Good going, sweetie.
Book. A book. Book.
Book.
Book. Book.